Okay, so yesterday we stopped at this around this page. Okay, so yesterday I talked about one problem. I want to set up a system that I can submit a query string. Okay, submit a query string, and that query string will eventually go to Google and Flickr, Baidu, Yahoo. Okay, whatever place you want to mention. It's actually I want to load the query result. That's all. Now the problem is not every site allows you to put themselves into an iframe that you host by you, okay? So this is a no-no. Why this is no-no? Because there is an attack previously, I mean not previously, 5 years or 6 years ago, okay? Someone discovered such kind of attack called clickjacking, okay? So to tempt you to click on some pages, so then you don't want people to trick you, right? So most of the famous sites will disallow people to use a iframe to host you so that you will be victimized. Now, it seems that it is hard for us to write such kind of thing like this, right? So we are going to implement another strategy, and this strategy is well, most highly or frequently used site is a Google Map, right? You find that many people can integrate Google Map on their own site, and the reason is very simple. But first of all, think about it. Let me take a look at let's say go to an OpenShift, OpenRise, okay? Yeah. Okay. We go to OpenRise. Where do you want to go? Okay, go to McDonald. No? No? Oh, okay, good. Okay, so this may be the closest one. So I click on it, and when you open it, so this is a Google Map, okay? So I need to wait for it until it finish loading. Okay, it's finished loading. Now let's take a look at the code structure. Okay, so we are not going to know where is the McDonald. Okay, so let's take a look at the code structure. So the code structure is actually let me highlight this guy. Okay, so the highlight area will be the map, which is from the Google website, of course, and not a host by the OpenRise. Now the problem is you can look at here. What is this guy? What is this guy? Let me open it up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. Okay, so this is just div. Okay, maybe a div containing an iframe, right? Let's open it up. A div containing a div. Good, thank you. Wow, div containing many divs. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, maybe I do a search for iframe. Okay, so this is not iframe, right? This is the CSS stuff. Okay, no, not this. The iframe here is for no script. No, the iframe here is go to Facebook, not a Google Map. So the last iframe that showed up is here. So there seems that there is no iframe concerning the Google Map. Okay. So what is the technology behind? The technology behind is, of course, is not to use iframe, and we allow Google Map to pump me data, and the way to do so, last time I already give you some preview, okay? The preview is one of the technologies, is also a very, much like the same as the Google Complete, okay? The complete, autocomplete search. The autocomplete search gives you a set of, let me open it up, what we have saved last time. Okay. So, yeah, I deleted it. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is f.txt. Why is it called f.txt? Okay, so it's a bunch of things. It's actually a function call. Okay, it's a function call, and the function call values is actually generated by the Google servers. Okay, it's not by you, but it's by Google servers. And next, I also talk about it. You can change what is going on within that code, okay, the change is I can add a parameter. The parameter is called callback. Callback equal to hello world. Okay, so if I generate such a thing called callback hello world, then the thing change a bit. I break it down. It will have hello world and the function call itself. Okay, so it seems to be very nice, right? If I'm hosting open drives, okay, I will create a function. The function is to display the map. Okay, it's display the Google map. And of course, the function is written by me. Okay, I am the open drive developer. Okay, and what is that array? The array is being constructed by Google servers. It's not by me. Okay, I just know that okay, Google, you are fitting in such bunch of arrays or characters. Okay, then I just adopt to this code structure, and invoke my function. Okay, so then it seems to be a very interesting. The mechanism is like this: you give Google my function name. Google don't know what is my function, okay? And eventually it will send me something with data and ask my program, ask my entire browser thing to invoke the function written by me. Of course, I tell Google to do so. And this technique is called, okay, there's a name for this technique. We call it JSON with padding, okay? And usually that data is a form of JSON, right? And the JSON will pack with whatever things you want to say. Okay. My way to pack it in is has a callback function, and by default, Google also has a callback function. And callback function Google implemented is something like this. Okay, it's their own stuff. Okay, we don't know. Okay, so here is a customized version. I can customize it. Yes, I have a function called hello world. I plug in my function call name. I know that what is inside this array, so I process an array and I show all the details out. Okay, and in terms of code, how to invoke this? Invoke it is very easy. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, why is the resolution is so bad? Okay, maybe I need to do something. Displays. What? Display. Okay, I forget about it. Okay, so let's take something back. Okay, so here is the entire HTML document. I just simplified it. Okay, and here is I created. Okay, I say that please call the Google servers. Okay, the autocomplete servers, and I treat it as a script tag, right? So what will happen if this loading finish? When the loading is finished, okay, it don't know that it is a customized call. It don't know. It's just treated. Oh, you are going to download a JavaScript file. Okay, I download JavaScript file for you, and the JavaScript file after download is actually equal to. Okay, not this guy. Equal to this guy. Okay, so this is the JavaScript file being downloaded. Of course, I use just hard code way, okay, to hard code this so that when I finish executing, I will execute my hello world function, and the hello world function is described here. So this is the technique, very simple. What you need to know that is there any public API doing so? Okay, and this is the number one problem. If you don't know there is a public API, you cannot do it. Second, if you know the public API is doing something like this, what is the format of the data? Okay, you can take a look at Google's data. Very hard to understand, right? Yeah, what is it? Wow, what is that bunch of things? Okay, so you need some API documentation to tell you that okay, I use Google data. I go to Google developer site to tell me that hey, if I do a JSON callback, what is the data format that will fit to me? Okay, and then I just know what is going on. Okay, then I process it, and here is the result. I know why the resolution is like this. Okay, auto image. Yeah, worse. Yeah, sewage case like that. You try to make it better, then it will get worse. Okay, so here we go. Okay, where's my demo site? Oh, demo site is here. JSON P. Okay, so JSON P dot HTML. Okay, let me make it a single column. Okay, why is it so small? Huh? The resolution is very strange. So you can see it's just the same thing. Okay, I just call the same code. Okay, I ask Google to give me something, and I know the internal structure, so I process it. I know it is an array, so I process it one by one. Okay, and I suppose that when it sent to me, it is a well-formed JSON. Okay, so I treat this as the function input is a JSON object. So after I process it, I just create the DOM element, create a P, and fit the output from the JSON object into the results. Then I get something like this. Okay, this is the result when I type MA in the Google autocomplete field. Okay, then it is the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is 10 results. And let us try together whether I'm getting correct thing here. Go to Google. Yeah, today's Google has a game. Okay, I get a very bad mark. Okay, where I cannot use English. What? One year. How can I use English?
Copy and paste.
Copy and paste? No. Yeah. Google sucks. I cannot change my language setting. So setting, history, feedback. So setting, okay. What? Language. Yeah. What? I know it's English. Save. Huh? No. Okay. Try MA. No, it's not that stuff. Okay. Yeah, I don't know whether you know or not. Okay. Google has a geographic optimization for its advertisement. Okay. So if you're doing this MA search, okay, in Hong Kong, okay, you will find Manulife. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, because maybe Manulife will give them many money, okay, to Google to buy the AdWords, okay, and also McDonald's. I don't know why, but in my QE, okay, because my QE is actually coded to the English or the US sites, okay, then you will find something different. What are they? So, Macy. So what is Macy? Macy, I remember the department store. Macy. Yeah, this is a department store. Okay, it's actually if you can see this, American multinational corporation. Okay, so it's a customized for its geographic location. Okay, so I query English sites, then it will give me the US site. They will give me US response. Okay, so you'll find MacBook Pro, but in Hong Kong version don't have MacBook Pro. Okay, so this is the thing. Now that means that if I know everything about other people's codes, that's good. But now the problem comes. This is go through my hard code things like I know the URL format, okay, then I code all the things in. Now the problem is, let's say I want to do something dynamic. What's the meaning of dynamic? Let's say I don't want to look for MA. I want to customize it. Okay, so that means that let's say I want to type something in and I press enter, then I will fire up this request. How? Can I do this? Can I do it? Yeah, Jason. Yeah, go on. Okay, if you find that the trick is let's say I do do the agent's call. Okay, the agent's call when it go there and come back. Let's say it can come back and give you something. Okay, that thing is just a this thing is just a piece of code. It's just a piece of code. It's never executed. Here the trick is when it comes back, it's try to embed this code and run it. So the script tag is of another thing than agents. Now, so that you cannot do an agents, you cannot programmatically that I give you something and run it. No. How? Yeah, you can see this. Look at the OpenRise. Okay, I look at a certain location. Okay, OpenRise is actually going through the same thing. Okay, it's embed the script tag. Okay, I know that you may not believe in me. Take a look. Only a code structure. Okay. Oh, sorry. So, how can I show you that? Okay, I don't know why the screen is too small. I mean, my machine screen is not too small. Okay, how can I make it detach? Come on, no way. Huh? Where? 撳住? Oh, interesting. Yeah, let me say I sucks. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. Now I click on the map. Can you see the new stuff coming in? Okay, the new stuff coming in as if some code is being executed. Okay, some code is being executed and it generate a new div. Okay, now actually how to generate those new div? Can you just please spawn a new script tag? No, it seldom do this. It's actually doing something not difficult to understand. Is doing this. Look at it. What is it? Huh? What? Yeah. You create element called script. Okay? Then script source, embed a URL, done. Okay? Now once you set the source and embed it into your DOM tree, then the download will start. Okay? And not just download, after download it will execute the code. Okay? So this is something dynamically can add more script to your code. And this is a technique. Maybe you can ask for, hey, I suddenly want to include a jQuery, okay, dynamically in my program. You can do it, okay, by creating a script tag and the URL is actually called the jQuery stuff, okay. Then you can include something. Now it's not include jQuery, but I'm including a site, okay. That is an open API. The open API will give me data based on my query, okay. So, is it the end? The end for the lecture notes, but it's not the end for the code. Okay? So, let's just see some of my code that I've written. Okay? Usually people seldom read those code, okay? Sometimes I forget to change mode, no one knows. Okay? So, yeah, I forgot to change mode, or I delete some of the codes and no one knows. Okay? So, what are they? Let's take a look. I write something like a mashup. Okay, so what I'm doing, well, what? Auto image. It's even worse. Okay. Now go. Let's say I want to look for hello. Yeah. Oh, this time is something good. Okay. Sometimes it's so Hello Kitty. Yeah. Hello, man. Okay. Hello. Then become Hello Kitty. Huh?
Hello Kitty is not something bad.
Yeah, something even more bad. Okay, how about girl dressed in a Hello Kitty? So that's okay. Then it will be awful. Okay, now here is what I'm doing. It's actually when you type hello, then I display two big div there. One div is actually I know how to use the Google Search API. I don't use the API that they provide to me because they want me to apply for the what is application key, right? If you have known that it's apply for application, I don't want it, okay? I kind of steal their thing, okay? I know they're using JSONP, okay? And I know there are other people's application key. Then I use other people's application key and create the stuff, okay? And the stuff is actually not difficult to understand. Where is it? Not difficult to understand. Where is the? Where is it? Oh, okay. So I write a so-called my course Google API. Okay. So what is it? It's actually a bunch of things. Okay. You can see the application key is here. Okay. The application is here. It's actually doing you do know what is happening before. It's not a big problem. Okay. The main trick is this guy. Okay. You key in something. I create a query. The query is a bunch of URL here, and I hard code it. Then I will add it as a script tag, and then the function will call as a callback. And the callback name, I just name the callback name is what we call the internal callback, something like this. Okay. Then after it is being called, then I can use the content results by this function call. Okay, by this function call, I can call it. Okay, so this is the trick, okay, and then that means that you can create whatever things you want, okay. Now this is the end about the JSON P. Now I will tell you another tricks, okay, and that tricks is I don't think that it's worth me to create a set of PowerPoint because in some tutorial sites, okay, HTML5 rocks cross, okay. So it's just a tutorial page, okay, one page. So I don't think that I need to say too much about it, just to tell you that there exists another technique to take what is the previous JSON-P? JSON-P is actually to open up a workaround. Actually, it's a workaround, it's a trick, okay, to get stuff from another site and include into my site, right? Now, what is the problem with that? The problem is you have to know, okay, oh sorry, for the, where's my thing, okay? The problem here is that topic API allows you to change the callback, okay? Or I should say, the API is really open to other people, okay? If it's not open, just like the previously shown example here, let's say Google's always return this string starting with this guy. I cannot do anything. Okay? Because it's something related to Google, okay, injecting a thing into the window. Now, this is another stuff. Another stuff is even more powerful or more flexible, okay? Because when you are setting up that public service, you set up a public service, okay, you can choose who can access it or who cannot access it. Okay, and also it's allowed other people to use it. It's not always the same domain. Here is a definition of our JSON-P is you can open up to other people of different domain using the script tag. Now I want to use ages. Okay, I want to use ages. So let's take a look at this code. So what is this code? This code is kind of easy to understand. Okay, I just have body, init, and I just write lazy code. So on load is calling my init function, no problem. And the body is only contain one div. I just will host the result. Okay, I will host the result. Now the init function is like this. The init function is I register the error because I want to know whether I can successfully get something from the foreign site. Okay. And here is on load. On load means the finish of the ages call. The ages call, I just set up this examination request. Okay. Then I use get method to go to the cross minus ty1. Okay. I just set up 15 minutes ago. Okay. Yeah, you can go there. No problem. Yeah, I will go there as well. So what is that? Yeah, do you know what is it? We know. Yeah, really stupid, okay? A stupid public service that show the current Unix timestamp. Yeah, okay, just one line of code. Yeah, don't feel excited. Wow. Okay. Then you should share. Okay. Now this is just one line of code. I just call time and then print it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will go to do like the following. The following is, here is the program. Okay. I will ask XML HTTP request to visit this site. Okay. And after this is being finished, I will update the output and set the inner HTML of this div to be the response text. Okay? As if I'm setting up a public service on Red Hat Cloud. Now where did I host this guy? Okay. I will host this guy in here. Okay, so where is it? Okay. My terminal. Okay. So this is my local host. Okay. My machines. Okay. If you're using Mac, okay, you know after some configuration you can host some websites. Okay. So I just host the client.html, the previous code here. Okay. Now what did I done? Okay. It seems to be all right, right? It's showing the timestamp. But actually, the code is not that easy to be written. What I'm doing is something like this. Okay, I will need to go to the Dropbox, my OpenShift development. Okay, so I just write PHP. Okay, what I've done, I've just put a new header. Okay. Although I just print out the time, but before I print out the time, I set a new header called access control allow origin. Now, what's this guy does? Okay, it seems that this guy is very funny. Okay, Well, what? Where is my thing? What? What? It's suddenly gone. Oh, Mac sucks, huh? Okay, again. So, OpenShift. Okay. So let me edit it. I comment it. Okay. I just comment it. Yeah, I'm not okay, what I'm done. Okay. It's git. Okay. Okay. During lecture. Okay. Wait for a moment. Okay, do you know what I'm doing? Okay, I'm changing the remote side performance. Okay, the remote side originally has that header, and my local host 127.0.0.1 can visit that site and get me something. Okay, now the remote site is up. Now I go back to the local, reload. It is an error. Okay, so let's take a look at what is the magic have been done by the previous header. Okay, so there is the error. Let's visit the error. The error say that XML HTTP request cannot load the site, and because I missed this out. Okay, it said I missed it out. Okay, and because I missed it out, it is being disallowed. Okay, now let's take a look if what I've done before. Okay, I have this header. Okay, and the header has a value. Actually, I have a value here. Okay, the value is asterisk. Okay, it's asterisk. This means that now my site is really open to the world. Okay, but I can choose who can access my site. I can choose to have only this IP address can visit me. Okay, I can choose to have this. Then you will understand now that when I push this code up, my site still not be able to access it because I'm using 127.0.0.1 but not 0.2. Okay, so let's go. Git add again push. Wait for a moment. Okay, good. Now let's do it below here. It is still fail, right? But what if I change this? Can you see what I've done? I changed 1 to 2 and go. It's loading. Okay. Hey, what? What?
localhost.com.
Why it become localhost.com? Into 7.0.0.2. Okay. What? It's supposed to be the same host, huh? You know, if you have studied 4430 well, okay, 127 point anything is me. Maybe my I know. I forgot to set something. Okay. Yeah, forget about it. Okay. Let me change my demo strategy. Okay. You know, I always has a plan B. Okay. My plan B is not to have a break. Okay. Yeah, let's have a break and fix it. Okay. My plan B is actually I hold something in a CSE department. The same client.html in the same in the same content in the department. Okay. Plan B. Hit. Oh, yeah, shoot. Do you know that in a commit message you cannot press exclamation mark? Do you know that? No one knows? Okay, then you can do it. Okay. Exclamation mark in shell means that the previous command. Okay. Yeah. Then you press exclamation mark, then it will go crazy. Okay. You push. Wait a moment. So let's take a look at department site. I also host the same copy in my own account. So this is supposed to be the code. The code is the same code. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, I changed something but forget to change some other thing. Okay. Okay, change it back, no problem. Very easy. Okay. So it says core. What's the name? I can't remember. This name. Okay. Okay. Good. So this is the department site. Department site. Reload. Yeah, I get it. Okay. And I get it because I'm from the department site and visit it. Now I go back to my own home, okay? And not localhost.com, okay? Yes, go back to my own home, on 0.0.1, okay? Then I cannot go in there. Now, take a look at this point. Actually, the server can control who can visit. You can control, let's say, the entire Red Hat Cloud service. Okay, I welcome everybody, and I set the domain name to be Red Hat Cloud service. I can set it to the CSD department. I can set to whatever things, whether people can visit me. I put the asterisk there. Okay, so this is another way to open up your service to another people. Okay, and it is all implemented. Don't ask me about IE. Okay. Yeah, if you know about IE capability, we can, it's called test course. There is a site called test course, testcourse.org, okay? We'll tell you whether IE will support it. No? What this? Cross testing. And is it this site? No. I have to find it out. Is it here? No. It's called Enable Course. I remember. Yeah, this guy. So already list out which browser supported. Okay, let's see. Opera, sorry. IE11, okay. What is the meaning of yellow? Yeah, I think a yellow means a danger, right? This means a no, okay. Yeah, means that all normal things that you can using, that you can download and support the course, okay. Now it means that you can already set up such kind of servers. It means no problem, and the only problem is you have to just add this header into your system, okay. Of course, this is another problem, right? The service is written by you, it's open up. Now, how about other people's servers? We don't know, right? Then there is a way to check it. The checking is very, very easy. Okay, let's take a look at this site. This is HTML5 rocks. Okay, go to its network, do a reload. Okay, I just need to know its document. Okay, I just need to know document and take a look. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't drink so many. Take a look here. Can you see that there's a response header here? It means that this what is that? Okay, this HTML5 rocks. Okay, by default, as a service. Okay, it will open up every kind of service. You can use XML HTTP request to download its HTML code, no problem. Maybe it also provides some public service. Okay, his server is actually hard coding this access control access allow origin to the world. Okay, some people already open it up. Okay, but you have to take a look there. Okay, if you want to know more, you can take a look at this tutorial. I just read this tutorial a few weeks ago. Okay, and I understand everything. This is only half of the story. What is the meaning of half of the story? The half of the story is this guy described. Where is it? Describe so many things, okay? And it's also talk about type of post requests. There are two types. I just mentioned the first type, simple requests. Okay, you request whether to choose to give you is by setting the header. If that header is said that no, you are not from that origin, then your browser is your browser. Okay, your browser will choose not to show it. Okay, now this is a simple one. There is something called not so simple. Okay, it is concerning about the RESTful API. Okay, the RESTful API support more method like delete, put, what else? Head or something like that. Okay, others method. Then the other methods requires other technique, but well, we didn't cover RESTful API, so I choose not to cover the remaining thing. Okay, if you want to know more, visit this. The keyword is HTML5 rocks and cross. Okay, so that's it.